Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the first mini and super mini silicone molds, how I organize them. I forgot to show you how I organize my cylinder molds. It's the same basic thing, but there are so many different ones that I realized I didn't know. Okay, because these, see inside, they're not the same as these. So they get a different compartment. So you got to be careful when you organize them. Otherwise you're going to come up with a totally different idea at the end. This only gets one. I have 3 for quite a few of them. See, that's got the small bottom. Keep going. These are the ones that twist to the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. And these. And thank you for watching. Stop by again. Leave a like, sub, share. Don't forget to leave a comment. I forgot to ask for that too. Let me know what you think of the organizing like this. Have a good day. Namaste.